Okay, yamo bibi akwaba emfa GH Live Studio. Your number one source of Krobio Kumasi Asante Kodoko and Ghana football. Medin Eden Nabakwa Migration say room Krobio Kumasi Asante Kodoko Akachi na yere update edi free ho edi ebro omo training na omo and then the last training a course so ahead of MTN FA Cup on Sunday. Na mekɔpie mu ɛwɔ Kotoko training grounds Adako Jaji ɛhɔ ana Kotoko training na ɛkɔ so ɛwɔ hɔ na ahead of the MTN FA Cup ɔmo True Democracy ɛbɛbɔ no training a ɛkɔ so no yɛde mu nsɛm nyinaa ɛde ba ɛnɛ tactical training ana team no yɛbɛwuram but yɛnkɔ deep because team no so the opponent ebetimi use as a threat edia Krobia Kumasi Asante Kodoko team yɛbɛwuram all of the players and omo etimi report here and omo fitness na yɛwuram omo ntimi nsi akan emfa Krobia Kumasi Asante Kodoko china na the possible lineup no the amount yɛwie na the squad no so the squad plus the possible lineup coach Dr. Prosper Nate Ogum the era game no mo ama bibia enso aye kama GH Live Studio so nyan subscribe ya message so nia obe subscribe ama it is our source of motivation and motivate into the subscribe fama na yemmongudem yenkwa 5k na yekɔ 10k ati asiye na o share video na o catch nua ne se ono so subscribe to the channel because channel a de Kotoko training ground stories updates or de Kotoko more updates the bro a form of football games ho a matches some kobo ho GH Live Studio na uwia na obo notification bell no so pick all anytime I do video you'll be the first person who can the amazing content of GH Live Studio na jingulum na yemfa nkomo and so emfa emo and you could do training grounds no who Joseph Ablo ho me okay so minka say me who Joseph Ablo enti the training course wa Adako Jaji nyina no Joseph Ablo na oye absent bibia kyerɛ sɛ Joseph Ablo entimi enka squad coach Ogum de omo akɔbɔ the MTN FA Cup Enra Joseph Ablo tutu mrika no tutu ya so I think say bien there omo san so akɔhwɛ doctors ne kɔhwɛ sɛ Joseph Ablo ebe fit for Nyankopɔn yadoma Sunday game but I say ene wamba na the tactical trainer coach Ogum ye no na onye part no bibia kyerɛ sɛ he is out of the game so mo county Joseph Ablo say oye part of the team Ogum dom be kone there I can confidently tell you say Joseph Ablo is out of the game. Lord Amoa for the past 2-3 weeks he is absent onye training from Kotoko and wanye training obetena dugout ho monitor niema ehwe niema senior niema enso ebesi akọ so the second player ono so out of the game or out of this weekend Lord Amoa he's out and he will not play for Krobia Kumasi Asante Kodoko this weekend. Akwesi Asante so player Kotokofo ekoto no in this second round of the season say ono so backup emfa Emma Patrick Asidu na Akwesi Asante ebaye no Enra was the first time we saw him kicking football. Was the first time because Kotoko from Tuesday, Wednesday, Omutrain Omiye na America, so he was part of it, or he was part of them. Enra Thursday, na football ewom, omukeke ball ewom. But today, Abrante never was dugout. And I am kasa akoda, oya Abrante. Obaye oti dugout wo. one kick ball. So this shows and it reads in our minds Abranteɛ no nso yɛ out of the game and also ɛbɛkɔ so ɛwɔ bobu kwa friend kotoko and so akachi. Now the third or the fourth player ɔno nso ɛbɛyɛ out Emmanuel Korte and the Muamuni Dada. He's out of the game. Young them. Wisdom Basi Fernando Oga Buachi. Yero Oga Buachi nso akachi na oko Oga Buachi a Wisdom Basi Fernando akachi ene oye training full training session. Full training Edi makro bia Kumasi Asante Kodoko. But ohwe ni dimina enkomodidie how I didn't who Kotoko training na there is something wrong with the player. And until ohwe Wisdom Basi Fernando they were all in the training participation. Can say I say on funny who reg the omu though or can and no training there but me who was saa kwan so say or didn't who ewura training no more say why dull be why dull me how undescribable ni appearance what training grounds. I don't know if say ni ekos one mountain no what bidia and a dear course ewo camp. I don't want to talk about it. Because sometimes I dey negative effort team no. I don't go there. But wisdom there no oni team ni mpanyimfo bi nya ntokwa nya kasakasa bi. Ama nkomodidie ba so say they would terminate the contract no. So per how are you hunyema and I mean hunyema or training grounds no. It seems like the guy is not happy. Abranteɛ no nyɛ happy. Our training grounds, but he trained full training and Adako Jachi and he got a last training on the MTN FA Cup through Democracy Football Club through Democracy Football Club and Wisdom Basi Fernando a full training. Peter Amidu Akwa. Peter Amidu Akwa a training. A full training no yeah. Now Peter Dieno, I'm going to talk about the fitness. Anyhow sharper CCano Abranteɛ net. This time Peter Amidu Akwa a training with the team. What in a few more than 1 month. I know when you training my Kotoko team no. And this week or the world training be a Kotoko ye and almost started ball and almost started ball. Do not on first team ne but the sharpness level na kutano at first no still ekutano akade ba akopɛ transparency ase unhu ne obo ne mu bi unhu ne obo ne mu onye transparent now ase obobo ne hu say aso esuro bi wɔ ne mu a ɔhwehwe ne ho kakra ɛwɔ training grounds. But I want to see him say ɔde ne ho shake game ne mu mane emfa ne ho nsiesie ɔma bibi mpie he yaka say something should be transparent as also muhu eni kwan say ade no obi die bibi kwa hyehye baby ti wo say but the match fitness aba back the medical team no, they are good, they are very very good. So Peter Amidu Akwa is back. The training here come the sharpness the passes, everything, the crossing come but ade ba ko aka say first how no you aggressive with the ball without the ball I'm not seeing him see as Imrika ni na ade me hu ni see as but I think say as time goes on or so back to that Albert Hamwa ball after injury abo game Kotoko last game he played in the second half. But it seems like Osuro so sans benya injury. It seems like Osuro so benya injury. And see how Albert Amoa ɛbɔ ne ball ɛwɔ Kotoko training grounds no. Nneɛma ɛkɔ so kakra ɛwɔ sɛ ɔne Peter Amidu akwadeɛ no nneɛma ɛstarte sɛ ɔmo de ɔmo ho ɛwura games no mu, because this is the time Albert Amoa how ɔpress high pressing like the tackles first no nko ara nti the one ɔma the opponent defenders no pressure no yɛhu ne saa bio aggressiveness na ɛwɔ ne mu te sɛ Rafinha a ɔbɔ Barca ɔyɛ striker ɔyɛ winger, but how ɔma the defenders pressure no it seems like fear and panic bi aba ne mu. He is scared so ɔsan so ɛbɛnya injury bi, because onya injury no it's affecting him. So menyae sɛ anka coach Ogum ɛne the medical team no ɔmo pɛ psychologist bi na ɔmo ne kasa so that ɔbɛyɛ okay na watumi de ne ho ahyɛ game no mu na aboa team no. Kotoko backs, I am seeing Samba and then Michael Sifa, and how ɔmo pairs na ɛteɛ no ɔmo mo ɔmo ho nkyɛn but ɔmo te ɔmo ho ase. I don't know the Ogum the ama players no. Meaning so I'm ready there, meaning him red. I don't know if he has given them red there, I don't know. Isn't like as I'm more red than or one skill. Like who say someone is absent, someone is out, someone is not available. You don't see it. Because you be who Henry Answani Sambebo. Yamfe Abulo. Yababe hu Michael a one Sambebo. Is it like you really say Henry Ansuni Abulo Bimpo baby? Oko training grounds are the same thing. Adrana JT, just forget about him. At training grounds, the guys are serious. And to get Kasa Kotoko backs no, what this season na yenyentum. Goalkeeping. Mohamed Kamara at Nefie. So was it 4-5 games? Kamara Mobi Kotoko. But in this MTN FA Cup, he'll be in the post. Penny saves per hour or is serious. I see Mohamed Kamara starting against Tima, your friend say True Democracy Football Club. So I see Mohamed Kamara because this time goalkeeping side no, I was quite strong. Frey Kasari and Pijan Modibum. Yes, Mohamed Kamara also Edino ho bemu beam. Papa. Kotoko astati ya DB yehu. Omo use some set pieces ye pa. And they were working on that. Daniel Adrana JT, Patrick Esidu. These two guys, no. The left and the right back, no. Omo kicks. They are working on it. And one day, so we jina boy chia, we defenders, then we defend it. Kotoko, almost set pieces. I was a mustro pa. Because they are working on it. And how eager, it seems like they are hungry for something. Baba Yaya. We didn't come on one. And Baba Yaya you training. The whole of this week I training. No kukumrika. Mukumrika na I Tuesday no. Omko no awe. Kwada omko no asan so awe. Komrika bi no awe. No mo sere ne sa. Rade me baba. So baba ya school boy. Na ene Ogum aka asɛm bi kyerɛ baba ya wɔ training grounds. Menim nkɔmmɔdidie na ɛkɔ so na wapra deɛ. But Ogum was telling him something. I don't know what he was telling him. But ye train na kodu baby no. Okotena dugout. Even penalty kicks are more born later no after the training no camp wa movie. Nti obema Emmanuel Ntwibe replace in a position in the first team. So I don't know if say nkɔmmɔdidie na ɛkɔ so between no Ogum na prebi no Philippines bi or baby there. I don't know. Or Ogum was telling him to do something or to rest. I don't know. But Yankopon ya adoma echena de kono. Me wura kotoko camp. Na ne koso nkɔmmɔdidie na koso oni Ogum temu no. I'll bring it out. If say a positive the team na I'll bring it. If negative, I will not talk much about it. That's what I'm doing my things right now. I'll go to aside. Maybe my boss will come there or will come and do a side in there. Yes, and so to us. Abrantia, your friend is Saka Dawda. People were saying say he's injured. Let me tell you the truth. The person is not injured. And I must will prakakra called dugout. Yesterday I wasn't at the training grounds, but today na mo ho no. Kotoko last training me ho. Some no kwen waka. Now me call training grounds no. Saka Dawda trained. He trained today and it was a full training session. I was Saka Dawda side. Nothing shows to say the guy is injured. So the guy is ready for the game. And he will be part of the first team. The first selected side. He'll be part. But the amount. Nyam for a possible lineup on him. But he will be part of the first selected side. Ogum Edom Beshia, the true democracy football club. And so Ewo Honum. And see any training grounds no. Bibia Kodin. Players on me anye train. Ablo Ahama train. Lord Amo anye train. Akwesi Asante anye train. Saka Dawda is fit. Abrante Daniel Ajete is fit. Samuel Tinedu, Joseph Ablo, in team menu fit. Justice Blay fit. Samba fit. Kwame Poku fit. Isaac Minta fit. Samson Eduku fit. Kamara fit. Benjamin Freddy Casares fit. Benjamin Chum fit. Fatal Seidu fit. 2 youth players and a nominee training. Isaka Abdul and Afoka Vetos. They are all fit and they are all good. Our training grounds. GH Live Studio. So nyan subscribe unia na wa subscribe. Nyankopon ya admochina. I'll bring you the squad plus the possible lineup. And so ewa hase. And the training grounds na bibia and so kama. Oh honoma. Nye oh hono anamedi amno. Ogum ene nembano. They are ready for the MTN FA Cup. Oye kotoko fana. Let's support Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. In su cramp no abeto de amatimuna. Me pacho de to. Nefa kumatimunu. Na omonso enyensu ngomo mini because ewiana no what thing. True be told, ewiano are no thing. Players need training within a short time. They need to drink water. I was say omonum insu na ebo the system no na etimi kama. So kotoko training grounds adako judge Kings project no so ekoso edi ho update no edi amount ma hu say almost had the blocks ni ne bi aba omo ba besi hostel ewo ho no ometo atoa buildings bi wo ho no ye de mu update na so edi bebrel ewo GH Live Studio midin edi na ba kwa migrations yenchen ho ye do besi ase Nyankopon ya adoma other stories ni na yes so edi bebrel ewo ahase ya man Kizito menim se wo hwe me wotie me boss Nyankopɔn ɔnhyira wo na ɔnyɛ w'akoma so ade ma. Na wo a wohwɛ me biara, Nyankopɔn nso ɔnhyira wo ɛne mmerɛ a wonya na nso wode hwɛ yɛ videos ɛnso ɛwɔ aha sei na wagye atom sɛ aha sei ana nokorɛ no nyinaa ɛnso ɛwɔ. Mesan so ɛne wobɛhyia ɛwɔ channel yi so bio.